Hello, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we'll be working on today. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is create a French manicure using this red nail polish. If you have short nails, all you have to do is polish your entire nail red. You'll be painting the pattern over your entire nail. The color I'm going to be using is this one by N Style, and it's called Pout Them Lips. This is the brush brand and size I'm going to be using to paint my shapes, along with a striper brush. You're going to go in with a white color and you're just going to paint a teardrop and just fill it in. Now using a striper brush coming alongside, you're just going to paint a little swervy stripe. Over the bottom area where you painted your teardrop, just join it from the very tip to your stripe. Over this top area, I'm just going to be painting a 5-petal flower. I've painted a different design over all of my nails, so it's just a very easy design to make according to whatever you want. So I'm just going to continue painting my 5-petal flower. Over this area, I'm going to paint a smaller teardrop shape and just fill it in. Over this opposite area, I'm just going to be painting a little swirl. I'm going to elongate this bottom area and I'm going to add a little wave coming alongside. Now I'm going to begin painting a couple of dots coming around certain areas, and I'm just going to continue doing that all around. Now using a blue color, I'm going to paint a teardrop in the color blue in the center of my white teardrops, just a little bit smaller. And on the smallest teardrop over this area, I'm going to do the same thing. In the center of my flower, I'm going to add a blue dot and just randomly around the design, more blue dots. All you have left to do is to apply your top coat sealing in your design. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and try out this nail art design. Be safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!